What is acid rain? Acid rain or acid deposition is a type of rain or any other form of precipitation that is usually acidic, meaning that it has elevated levels of hydrogen ions. It can have many harmful effects of aquatic animals, plants, and infrastructure. You can say that acid rain is the result of rain pollution. There are two forms of acid rain. First one is the wet deposition. In this form, the sulfuric acid and nitric acid formed in the atmosphere fall to the ground mixed with rain, snow, hail, or fog. And the dry deposition, in areas where the weather is dry, the acidic chemicals mix with dust, smoke, etc. and fall to the ground, sticking to the grounds, buildings, cars, and trees. Both man-made and natural sources are the known play a role of formation of acid rain, but it is the mainly produced by the combustion of fossil fuels, which results in emission of nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide. Most acid rain produced by human activities. The biggest sources are coal-burning power plants, automobiles, and factories. When fossil fuels are burned, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide are discharged into the atmosphere. This air pollution reacts with water, oxygen, and other substances to form airborne sulfuric and nitric acid. Winds spread this harmful acidic compound through the atmosphere and over hundreds of miles. When acid rain reaches the earth, that it flows across the surface and runs to the water, enters the water system, and goes down into the soil. Acid rain is very adverse to agriculture plants and animals. Acid rain that sits into the ground can dissolve various nutrients such as calcium and magnesium that trees needed to be healthy. It also causes respiratory issues to animals and humans. Particles of sulfur dioxide in the air can encourage chronic lung problems, bronchitis, and like asthma. When acid rain falls down and flows into the lake, rivers, and ponds, it affects the aquatic ecosystem and makes water toxic to crayfish, clams, fish, and other aquatic animals. Acid rain causes monuments to be discolored or disfigured. The most notable effects occur on limestone and marbles, which are common building materials. The best way to reduce acid rain is to produce energy without the use of fossil fuels. Instead, people can use renewable energy sources such as wind power and solar energy. Renewable energy sources help reduce acid rain because they produce comparatively less pollution.